All paths lead to the Tuono. Don't kill the messenger. Just speaking the truth. Huge thank you to Christian. Let's take a close look at another amazing 2021 Aprilia Tuono Factory with some awesome upgrade. Okay, right off the bat, let's take a look at the very first SE project race oval in titanium I've ever seen on a 2021 Aprilia. We've done a carbon fiber one for our good customer out of Arizona not that long ago, but here it is in titanium. If it were my bike, I would choose titanium. It tends to last longer. This one looks really good too. It has that laser etch logo. They do not come with a baffle. I'll turn it on for you guys in a second. It's really not too loud. This race oval is what I call kind of like a 3/4 length exhaust compared to the full length of Kropovich. It's a little bit shorter, but not so short that it'll blow your eardrums out. I'll turn it on in a sec, as I said. And Christian chose the Bonamici rear sets. You'll notice that, if you don't already know, this exhaust is not specifically for a 2021 because it has this mounting point, but with the aftermarket rear sets, we were able to mount it with this optional bracket that most aftermarket rear sets come with. Also important to note, on most aftermarket rear sets, you have to use a hydraulic brake switch. That's what you see here on the top. What else? R&G Frame Sliders, our favorite, the most effective, strongest frame sliders. Matching front axle sliders. Evotech radiator guards, both the big radiator and the oil cooler. Those are sold as a set. Fender Eliminator. This time we went with the Robem engineering. This one is actually listed for the 660s. We made this fit with some spacers that you see up in between there to bring this guy out so we can torque it down. This is all one piece. Everything you see here, the Robem engineering, is one piece. Really simple design, very solid. Nicely tucked. I like the position. It uses the OEM license plate light. The only thing I don't totally love about it is that these turn signal mounts are part of it, and they're a bit big in my opinion, and they're not optional. Other than that, really clean. And then of course the Rizoma Leggera single function turn signals. Probably still my favorite turn signal, with the light unit being a close second. What else? Let's take a look at the shifter side of this rear set. Standard shift Bonamici rear sets. Aprilia official accessory tank pad. This is not described for the 2021. It honestly doesn't fit this gas tank perfectly in terms of just the design, but Christian asked us to go ahead and install it anyway. I think it fits. You would never know that it's not really for the 2021 gas tank. It's for the 2020 and prior. Looks pretty good in my opinion. CRG lane splitter mirrors. Effective. These are the 3-inch. Really easy to flip out and in when you're splitting lanes. What else? You'll notice that we deleted the front turn signals. He will be installing the Euro race map into the bike probably later today when I meet him at the shop. Let's turn the bike on for you guys. that was only to 7,000 RPM. This thing sounds amazing. This exhaust is a little louder than the Akrapovic. Not as loud as the SC1R, and of course not as loud as the CRT. Huge thank you to Christian. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video. Over and out from beautiful Santa Monica, California on this winter day.